Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. In this session, we'll break down the key obstacles that organizations commonly face and how these challenges can affect both short-term PTP results and long-term collection effectiveness. One of the most common and costly obstacles to sustaining strong PTP performance is poor lead quality and unreliable contact data. The first challenge is uncontactable or invalid numbers. When right-party contact rates are low, agents have fewer opportunities to engage with the right customers, and that directly reduces PTP conversions. Next, unsegmented lead pools. Mixing early-stage and late-stage delinquency leads makes it harder for agents to tailor their approach, weakening both focus and overall strategy. And finally, stale or inaccurate information. Outdated account or customer details lead to wasted dials, missed opportunities, and ultimately, lower commitment rates. In short, if the quality of your data is weak, your PTP performance will reflect it. Clean, segmented, and accurate data is the foundation of every successful outbound campaign. Another major obstacle in sustaining strong PTP performance is inconsistent agent skill and execution. The first issue is variable negotiation capability. Not all agents possess the same level of persuasion or objection handling skills, and this inconsistency directly impacts conversion outcomes. Second, lack of script discipline. Over time, when agents drift away from structured talk tracks, PTP conversion rates become less predictable and less consistent. Third, burnout and attrition. High turnover disrupts performance stability, requiring continuous retraining and slowing down overall momentum. And finally, motivation drop-off. If incentives aren't properly aligned with PTP-kept rates, agent engagement weakens, leading to a decline in commitment quality. In short, even the best strategies fail without consistent agent performance. Sustaining skill, discipline, and motivation is key to maintaining high PTP rates. One of the most critical obstacles to sustaining strong PTP performance is weak governance and tracking. First, poor PTP quality control. When vague or non-specific commitments are logged, PTP numbers may look impressive, but they don't translate into real payments. Next, lack of real-time monitoring. Without timely visibility, it becomes difficult to detect performance dips early and take corrective action. Third, low accountability. If there's no clear ownership for broken promises, recovery rates decline and leakage increases. And finally, inadequate QA and audits. Without regular checks, weak behaviors go undetected and uncorrected, slowly eroding overall performance. In short, strong governance isn't optional, it's the backbone that ensures PTP numbers are real, reliable, and sustainable. Another significant barrier to sustaining high PTP performance is process gaps and operational friction. First, no structured follow-up cadence. When reminders are missed or delayed, promises break down, leading to lost revenue and weaker forecasting accuracy. Second, fragmented systems. When CRM, dialer, and payment platforms aren't fully connected, it reduces agent efficiency and slows down the commitment process. Third, limited payment options. Without flexible plans or real-time payment tools, customers are less inclined to make firm, immediate commitments. And finally, slow escalation loops. When broken promises aren't addressed quickly, recovery opportunities slip away. In short, process gaps create friction, and friction kills momentum. A seamless, Well-orchestrated process ensures every promise counts and more of them get kept. One of the most subtle but dangerous obstacles in sustaining PTP performance is an over-reliance on volume instead of quality. First, quantity over accuracy. When agents are pushed to log any promise, even weak or vague ones, PTP rates may appear high, but the numbers are misleading and inflated. Second, low PTP kept rate. High volumes of promises mean little if they don't translate into actual payments. It's the kept rate, not the logged rate, that defines true performance. And finally, no incentive alignment. When incentives are tied to quantity rather than quality, long-term performance integrity erodes, and behaviors drift away from what really drives results. In short, strong PTP outcomes are built on quality, not just volume. Real impact comes from promises that are specific, credible, and kept. Another major obstacle to sustaining strong PTP performance comes from external and seasonal factors, forces largely outside organizational control but critical to understand and plan for. First, economic downturns. Inflation, job loss, or overall market instability can reduce both the willingness and ability of customers to commit to a payment. Second, seasonal variability. Post-holiday or low cash flow periods naturally cause dips in PTP rates, even with strong campaigns and skilled agents. Third, regulatory constraints. Restrictions on outreach timing and frequency limit how and when customers can be contacted, directly affecting commitment opportunities. And finally, unpredictable customer behavior. Even high-intent leads can fail to follow through due to unforeseen personal or financial circumstances. In short, while these external forces can't be controlled, anticipating and adapting to them can make the difference between stable performance and avoidable dips. Another critical obstacle that often goes unnoticed is the lack of continuous enablement and innovation. First, outdated training models. Static, one-time training programs simply don't keep up with evolving customer behaviors or rapidly changing market dynamics, leaving agents underprepared. Second, no use of AI and analytics. Without intelligent insights and data-driven coaching, performance improvement becomes reactive instead of proactive, limiting growth. And third, limited feedback loops. When continuous coaching and performance feedback are missing, agent sharpness and consistency slowly decline over time. In short, sustained PTP excellence requires continuous learning, intelligent insights, and agile innovation, not a one-time strategy. Here's the key insight to keep in mind. Sustaining a strong PTP rate isn't about one-time peaks, it's about long-term operational consistency. High performance is achieved when lead quality, agent effectiveness, process discipline, and governance remain strong over time. But when quality assurance weakens, when incentive alignment slips, when technology isn't fully integrated, or when follow-up governance breaks down, PTP performance inevitably erodes. In short, PTP excellence isn't a sprint, it's a disciplined, sustained effort that demands alignment between people, process, technology, and accountability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.